Are you prone to lying?
He was acting on one more. Was he never on the board? He was on the board.
But was he the chair? The truth, I can confirm to you that he has never been the chair of the board of directors. So are you prone to lying, Mr. Michoma?
That's very below us. I'm saying Dr. Kali approached me. He told me the problem you had with the previous assignment where you had recruited somebody to pay and paid him 800,000 and he had not performed the work.
Please, Mr.
He
Michoma,
requested me to assist you to process this process.
Please, Mr. Michoma, you are the oath. And be aware that telling lies in court is an offense called perjury, found in Cap 63 of the laws of Kenya, Section 108 and Section 10. You may be sentenced to up to 7 years in jail if you tell lies at the oath. Kindly be very careful.
The usage?
Yes. Did you say there is a helipad?
Yeah, there's a ground which is used.
Yes, sir. Helipad.
For public functions.
And just read your report, what it says regarding what is in that block 11/107. What does it say?
It is used for public utility and sometimes
is there a word helipad?
Yes.
Yes, there is a word helipad. Now tell us, genuinely, is there a helipad in block 11/107?
It's an open
helipad. What is a helipad first as a professional? Tell us, what is it? Helipad.
It's a place where helicopters land.
A place where helicopters land.
Yeah.
Now, so if Mutula Kilonzo's house, they have landed 2 helicopters, Kalonzo and Raila, that land becomes a helipad?
No, but when it's normally used.
So what if the helicopter just lands, you're saying it becomes a helipad?
It has been used for ages as a helipad for the presidential team
So
and there may be medical staff who are carried.
So the difference now is in terms of ages.
Regularly used.
You are shaking, Mosham.
Not shaking. You're shaking more.
Okay, no. All right. You appear to be having tremors.
No,
Tell me, you are a professional of repute. What is a helipad? You are saying it's a place where helicopters land?
Yeah, designated place for them land. Yes.
For helicopters to land?
Yes.
Okay, so are you aware of any designated place where helicopters land? Do you have a report from Kenya Airport Authority? Do you have any?
Helicopters land.
How does it look like?
The club. There is a mark for that point.
So is there a mark?
No, there isn't, but it is used so.
You have been there and you never saw a mark for a helipad. Eh? You never saw a mark. But you still went ahead and indicated that there is a helipad. And you never saw a mark, right?
You did not object to that report when you presented to wherever you took it to Nairobi or to the county.
Is it for us to object or you are telling facts?
If I made a mistake as you are representing.
So you are agreeing that you
did a wrong thing.
So you are agreeing
you
that
never
there was a mistake?
objected to it. I assumed you agreed.
Was there a mistake?
No.
Regarding helipad? Do you still insist there is a helipad there?
It is used as one.
There is a helipad. Now, what is the difference between a helipad, a heliport, and an airport? Tell us, among those 3. Helipad, heliport, airstrip, and airport. 4 of them. Tell me what is the difference.
They describe themselves as you hear.
What is the difference? You are an expert.
Different between different planes, different types of aircraft.
Yes?
Yes.
So, helipad, you can have 7 acres helipad. Is it possible?
And unless you have a different description of that field, is that the hospital?
No, you're not the one who is asking me questions.
No,
I'm asking
wondering,
you what is the difference in an expert between helipad,
this does not help
helipad, airstrip, airport. What is the difference?
They are used by different sizes and types of planes. That's all.
Is there any certification expected?
I'm not an expert in that area, Your Honor. I would not know.
So you have no idea?
They are designated.
There is a helipad at the top of KICC, Kenyatta International Conference.
I hear so, Your Honor.
Yeah. So do you have such a similar structure there?
There's only one KICC. There's no KICC on that field, Your Honor.
Yes, yes. So you have never seen such a structure?
With all due respect, Your Honor.
Okay,
I think we are wasting a lot of time.
Wasting time?
Yeah, I mean, the things, the descriptions are none of my, it's not my speciality.
Yeah, but
Look
my
for an
point...
engineer to answer those questions.
That's Madam.
Yes, I was wondering where this,
Yeah, what is this
where
one?
the relevance of
Yes.
the questions they...
It is the credibility of the witness. He's lying that there is a helipad. So what else is he lying about?
Proceed. Time is going.
Okay.
Memorial Hospital.
Let me have a look at your reports. The two reports you're saying are not agreeing. Where are they?
It is only the signature, and it's, which was differing.
Now, are you aware that when this matter came up, the Nakuru County government was called to the Senate to make a presentation?
I'm not aware, Your Honor.
You're not aware?
I don't follow it.
Now, this is a report that was prepared by the Nakuru County government. It is DMFI, should have been 3. That's the report that we marked as DMFI. I think it was 3.
It's done
By this response statement to the closure of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital in the Senate. DMFI 2. Yes, DMFI 2. We marked it as DMFI 2. I want you to have a look at the report that was done by your client, that is Nakuru County Government. I think it is from page 20. I will give you this report. Can you see this? Have a look at this. Is that your signature, page 24?
That is my signature.
That is your signature.
Yes.
I want you to have a look at the previous page, that one. It should be, it's actually page 32, previous, yes, page 32. Look at page 32.
Of the same document?
Of the same document.
Okay.
That is DMFI 2 still.
Yes, MFI, DMFI,
There in DMFI 2.
page 32.
This witness has his signature there.
Yes, yes, he has a signature there.
Yes.
You have seen page 32? Do you recognize that as part of your planning report?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when you turn to the next page, what is appearing there?
Looks like a CR12.
So your planning report is appearing up to section 5.1, planning consideration, right?
Yes.
That is the planning report prepared by NACUPRAN, which was presented by the Nakuru County government to the Senate.
Okay.
Okay? You have noticed, is there any page missing? Look, compare with your report, the original report. Page 32, we are talking about a missing page.
What page is missing?
Page, the one that explains the, where you have conclusion. Just go to the last page of your report. Recommendation.
Yes.
Yes? Last page.
Yes. It's
Have you seen it?
Yes.
Recommendation.
Yes.
What is your recommendation there?
On page.
After 5.1, what next?
There is 5.2 and there is 6.0.
Yes. Can you confirm that in this report, which was purported to be yours, presented by the Nakuru County government to the Senate, is missing section 5.2 to 6. Agreed?
Yeah, I can't see it here.
It is not there.
Yes.
And I even have the original report presented to me by the governor herself. It is missing. That page is missing, okay? Agreed?
I don't see it here, so I don't know who photocopied
Okay,
this.
so now,
Yes.
when you went to the DCI and you are presented a planning report which you claim was not yours. Now we have another one from the county government presented to the Senate. Again, one page has been removed.
Your Honor, I did not say the report was not mine at the DCI.
Yes.
I said that the signature
Yes.
was not mine
Yes.
and that it was not completely stamped and sealed. This one
Yes.
you can see there is a
So-
seal and there is a stamp.
So at the DCI, you found another report you could not recognize as yours.
Yes,
Or the signature was not yours.
yes.
Now, I'm also showing you, the Senate also received another report with a page missing, not just the signature, now a page missing from the county government. Okay?
I recognize the
Because-
signature on this report.
Yes,
And
yes.
I agree with the stamps.
Yes,
It's my
but a
report.
page is
If
missing.
somebody did not photocopy the whole document, I don't
Yes,
know.
yes, the
Thank
page
you.
is missing.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, did you also say in your report, your statement, that these are the documents you received? I have projected them there for your comfort. Certificate of lease, search, certificate of,
I can't see that.
you cannot see
Can you
there.
focus well?
Okay. I think I have the statement somewhere. It's very clear, certificate of in cooperation. In cooperation. Can you see that?
Incorporate. There was a typing error.
In cooperation.
It should be COR.
Yes, here.
Cooperation.
This is it. In cooperation. Right? In cooperation. Certificate of in cooperation. Right?
Is it?
Here.
Yeah, that was a typing error. It should be COR.
In
Not-
cooperation. Now, I want you to compare with a report from Mr. Kehagi, the CEC.
What is that you're projecting? Is that statement?
There's a statement by Mr. Kehagi, I think it was D16.
Who is Mr. Kihagi?
Mr. Kehagi is PW2. He was here.
No, no, just was examining on his evidence and what.
My concern, Your Honor, what I'm trying to bring across.
Just ask him questions, don't show him documents by other people.
Okay.
Unless you give him notice. It's needed to have given him
I've not
notice that
read
you're going to cross-examine him on somebody else's state.
No, Your Honor, I'm just trying to indicate to the court that the same error is in that
Please
document. Okay.
proceed.
All right. So, Mr. Michoma, did you actually prepare this statement? Are you the one who prepared the statement?
I wrote the statement.
And it has
The person who typed made a mistake. Incorporation is INCORP.
Or is it the same person who typed your statement also typed the other statement so that you have the same
No, that is
error?
my secretary.
I put it to you, you never prepared this statement.
My statement.
Yes, you
I
did not
I
prepare.
wrote it myself. I can bring you the...
It's a very strange coincidence
That?
that you make the same error. The secretary who printed the other one and the same one who printed this is making the same error of certificate of in cooperation.
That's a minor mistake somebody
But
can make.
how easy is it to have that repeated?
Not many people are very conversant with those kind of words.
Yes, but
Yeah.
question is the repetition of the same error in two statements.
It has no consequence on the substance of the matter.
It has no consequence. Okay. You said you paid the requisite fee after you were paid by COECH.
Yes,
You paid,
yes.
okay? Now, I've not seen that receipt. Do you have the receipt here?
No, it's in evidence.
Yes. Do you have the receipt? What I needed to know from your receipt, okay, when you compare with others that are said to be, they are not genuine like this one, okay? Are you seeing any differences between the receipt? Yeah. Do you see any difference? So this is the receipt you received. Any sign of any forgery here?
On the receipts?
Yeah, on the receipt.
I'm not an expert on that, so I don't know.
Okay. All right. Okay.
The receipt is that.
The receipt
the
that.
receipt, is that
We
an
paid for the
exhibit?
application.
Yes, Exhibit B36.
Which exhibit number is that?
We also have our own, another exhibit there,
Yes.
B90. Yeah.
Is that which, the one you produced?
This is Exhibit 47.
Please proceed.
Okay. So you paid the requisite fee.
Yes, Your
So
Honor.
where did you get the money from?
From the money which was paid to us as a deposit by the War Memorial Hospital emissary or
Emissary.
agent, whatever it was, the person who brought the money.
And
He
you
paid
said
us.
the emissary was called?
Quite
What is
Correct.
the amount of money paid in that exhibit number 47?
60,000.
Now, how much money were you paid by Coach
He
for
paid,
Nakuru Memorial Hospital?
he paid 100,000 initially,
Yes.
and again later. That was the deposit. Then later, when we had this issue, he paid another 100, and later he paid another 100 to make a total of 300,000.
Not 400,000.
No, 300. That's the record we have of the
Record you
300.
have.
Yes.
Can you confirm that check there, whether it's one of the...
That's not the check. That's the receipt from my office.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, that's a receipt. So
Yes.
that's 100,000.
Yes.
Okay. So you confirm that is genuine. There's a check there, Nakuru Plan Consultants, 100,000. Can you
From
confirm?
which date?
The date is there.
You read it. I can't see
October
there.
2019.
October what?
2019.
Which date?
20, is it 29 of October 2019?
Yeah,
You
correct.
have- Yes,
What's
correct.
the check number?
Check number. It's not you who is asking me questions. I'm
No, I want
asking.
to see it. Okay, it's show me.
Okay. So you confirm it is genuine? Okay. Now, so you also said that you met with Dr. Karia in your
Yes.
evidence in
Yes,
chief,
he's the one who requested me initially.
and you met at the sports club.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you aware? You said that Dr. Karia was the chairman of the board.
I know he was on the board. but
Are you
he's-
in fact aware that he has never been the chairman of the board of directors?
He told me he's acting on
Nakuru.
behalf of War Memorial, and I thought he was the chairman.
You thought he was the chairman,
Yeah,
but he
I've
never
just
told
known
you.
him.
That he never told you he's the
I
chairman.
assumed that he had the capacity to approach me since he wanted this job done.
But the truth is that if I was to tell you that he was never a chair of the board of directors in Nakuru Memorial Hospital, what would you say to that?
No problem with that. I have no issue. There is a chairman there.
So what did the idea of him being the chairman, where did it come from?
When he approached me, I thought he was the chairman
You
since he's
thought?
talking on behalf of the board.
But when you are giving evidence in court, sworn evidence, you should give what you are sure of, facts. Are you prone to lying?
He was acting on a woman. Was he never on the board? He was on the board.
But was he the chair? The truth, I can confirm to you that he has never been the chair of the board of directors. So are you prone to lying, Mr. Michoma?
That's very below us. I'm saying Dr. Kali approached me. He told me the problem you had with the previous assignment where you had recruited somebody to pay and paid him 800,000. and he had not performed the work.
Please, Mr.
He
Michoma.
requested me to assist you to process this process.
Please, Mr. Michoma, you are the oath. And
I have no interest to lie.
be aware that telling lies in court is an offense called perjury, found in Cap 63 of the laws of Kenya, Section 108 and Section 10. You may be sentenced to up to 7 years in jail if you tell lies at the oath. Kindly, be very careful. Cap 63 of the laws of Kenya is also called the Penal Code.
You are still spending
which?
your...
Now, you mentioned that there was a planning report you received, and you said it talked about some dispute between Nakuru War Memorial Hospital and Annex. You mentioned that in your evidence in chief, right?
It was not a report, Your Honor.
Yes.
It was a letter.
It's a letter.
By the sub-county planner.
Yes.
Who said there was a dispute between the two organizations, and we should confirm whether that has been sorted out.
Was it sent to you?
It was sent to the director, and it's us who collected the letter and took it to the office of the director.
Do you normally pick letters from the planners?
We pick the letters when we collect, what do you call them? Comments, all the comments for an application. We collect the letters from all the offices and take them to the office of the director.
So when that letter stated that there was a dispute, did you try to confirm, this is your client who is paying you, did you try to confirm whether there was actually a dispute?
I met the CEC then.
Not the CEC.
I went to ask him whether there was this dispute. He said, yes, there is a dispute. And apparently there was a caution on the property, what they told us.
Mr. Michoma, if I'm your doctor and you are complaining that you have a headache, do I go to consult another person whether it is true that you have a headache, Michoma has a headache? Or do I come to you directly and ask you whether you have a headache?
I told Koech.
Nakuru Memorial Hospital is within Nakuru town, right? Did you try to go over there and find out whether they have a dispute?
Your Honor, you saw it fit to contract me through an agent, so I dealt with the agent since Dr. was not available.
But did you have been paid money? Koech actually says you were paid 400,000. You were paid money to do a job.
Yes.
Like you would pay me to treat you.
I did my job, Your Honor.
How professional is it? How professional was that? You are told that there is a dispute between Nakuru Memorial Hospital and Annex Hospital, and you are satisfied. You didn't even go to find out what is the dispute about.
Your Honor, the agent, I told him to give the information to the lawyer who was acting on your behalf, whom I didn't even know the name, to tell the board that they resolve the dispute.
Tell the court the truth. Are you aware of any dispute you have ever had between Nakuru Memorial Hospital and Annex?
What I know, Your Honor, is that they exist on the same piece of land.
Yes. Are you aware of any matter in court where they are
No, I'm
disputing
not
that
aware.
particular time, 2019?
I'm not aware.
So there was no dispute you are aware of?
Not that I know.
So I put it to you, this was a figment of imagination. There was no dispute.
I don't know. Ask that client. The person who wrote the letter.
So you said that you were given a contact person, and that is Mr. Koech, right? The contact person you were working with was Mr. Koech. Now, Mr. Koech says that he paid 400,000 to you. I think I'll get to that one very quickly. Is that the name of the person who contacted you?
I can't read that.
Tarus, Kipkoech, Matthias.
I know Matthias Koech.
Yes?
Yes.
That is the name of the person.
Matthias Koech. I don't know the other
Matthias
name.
Koech. So you will not even be able to identify him if he was around here? No
it's
idea.
a long time ago. Yeah.
It's a long time ago. Okay. Now, you then say that fast forward 2023, the matter was revived again by the county government and they contacted you, right? That's what you said.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
2023. After all this period, 2023, somebody from the county government comes and tells you that now we want to revive this matter, right? You prepare another planning report or something like that. Agreed?
No, Your Honor, what I said.
Yes, what did you say?
They wrote a letter that the application was still pending on their desk.
On their desk.
And they wanted to visit, there was a new county government.
Yes, there's a new county.
The officers who were there
yes.
wrote to me
Yes.
and said that they wanted to visit.
Yes.
And they find me there and the owner of the property.
Yes, yes. So you are told the matter is still pending, right?
The application
is still
according to
pending.
the county government, had
Yes.
not been processed
Yes,
until the stage where it had stopped in February
yes,
2020.
yes. Now, then you contacted your client,
Yes?
and you contacted your client through
Matthias.
Matthias.
Yes.
And then what did Matthias tell you?
He told me there is a lease in place.
Oh, you already have a lease.
Yes.
So in other words, it's like I was treating you, you admitted in hospital, you have recovered from malaria, 2 years down the line, somebody is asking whether I'm still treating you. Okay? Are we together?
I don't understand that analogy.
Professional.
Yeah, it's just
we are both professionals.
I don't understand that analogy,
Analogy.
To being a patient.
Now, so you are being told by Matthias that finally the planning report that you prepared, which you are paid for, and by the way, who did you give that planning report after you are paid for? Who did you give the planning report
The county government of Nakuru.
You have been paid by the Nakuru War Memorial Hospital to do a job. You did not give them even a copy.
I gave Matthias a copy.
You gave Matthias a copy. Good. So now, Matthias went with a copy. And then several years later, 2023, he is telling you that he succeeded.
Yeah.
And he got the lease.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Were you happy about it or you are unhappy?
It's not my business to be happy or unhappy about something.
Yes,
If it's
yes.
performed, I
So-
told him, well, how did you do it?
So
He
now,
said it was done.
the county government comes and tells you that they want to start the whole matter afresh. And your client, through their misery, has told you they have already succeeded. Then you proceeded
That's
to
a
do
business.
what? No, tell us,
Let
what
me
did
tell
you
you,
do?
what happened is that the county wanted to visit. I told Matthias, he told me you have a lease. So I told the county, the process has been withdrawn from me. This application, I'm withdrawing the application
You have
for the
used-
extension of
You have used
lease.
several words. Is it withdrawn or is it overtaken by event? Which is the correct version?
I was using withdrawn because my instructions to pass you, I had not seen the copy of that lease. I was told that there's a lease.
So now
So I
get
told
this
you-
analogy and look at it professionally. I admitted you in a hospital. I treated you. 3 years
Use a
down the
different-
line. Wait,
use a
wait.
different
3 years
analogy.
down the line, I'm being told that there is a problem with the treatment, and then I declare that I have withdrawn my services to you. Yet you got cured 3 years ago.
The way I would understand it, I'm not a doctor, is that if you are my patient, then I find you on the street, you tell me you are cured, then why would you inject me again?
So why
When they inject you.
would I declare that I have withdrawn my services to you when I know you're already cured? Why was it necessary to withdraw services to Nakuru War Memorial Hospital when you have already been informed
services, you don't
that they
need-
have received?
Your Honor,
Professional services.
I withdrew my application to the county government of Nakuru on behalf of Nakuru War Memorial.
What was the purpose of withdrawing?
Because you told me you don't need it.
But you've already stated that it achieved its purpose. There was already an extension of lease.
Yeah,
right?
by
You
another
have
way.
been told.
By another way,
You
not through me.
But you give your document, your planning report to COECH that you have just stated.
Yes.
You give.
Yes.
So if you used it, you went to Nairobi or wherever else, why would you be unhappy with that?
I was not unhappy, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was not unhappy at all.
So then why are you withdrawing the services?
The application to the
The
county
application.
government was not
Why?
necessary.
Why would you want to withdraw it? And you already know that your client succeeded. Isn't that unprofessional? After you have been
The application was superfluous.
After you have
If
been
you already
paid,
achieved the
did
aim
you
of the
offer
plan,
to refund their money?
I had worked for you so much, and you didn't approach me yourself.
So have we ever discussed regarding War Memorial Hospital personally?
No, never.
No, we've never. So then you insisted on withdrawing your services several years after War Memorial Hospital had received the extension of lease, and you are telling the county government that you are withdrawing your report.
Your Honor.
How honest is that?
Your Honor.
Did you offer to refund the money?
I had paid the staff who worked on this report. I had paid the county government fees. What I was waiting is to finalize. In fact, you're the ones who owe me my balance. Because
put it to
you did not clear my fees.
I put it
If you
to
got
you.
a lease and I applied for you,
I
you
put
used
it
my
to you.
documents, you owe me money.
I put it to you, you're just trying to appease the county government because so that they can continue giving you more jobs.
No, it's not done
Unlike
that
War
way.
Memorial Hospital, which gave you only one job.
Jobs at the county government are competitive.
Yes.
We bid through an IFMIS system.
Yes.
They are not solicited for.
So technically, was it necessary to withdraw your report?
It was not necessary anymore
Not
for
necessary
anybody.
anymore.
Yeah.
So why
So it
were
was
you
not necessary.
claiming that your instructions, according to that letter, you actually say that your instructions have been withdrawn?
Yeah, he told me there's no need to continue this matter because we have the lease.
Yes, you wrote that letter and you said that your instructions from War Memorial Hospital have been withdrawn.
Yeah, correct. Told me we don't need your services anymore.
So did you have anything written down? Because in terms of evidence, professionally, you need to have a documentation to show that actually these instructions have been withdrawn. Now you are here in court. How do we believe you?
You never
If you don't have any
No, no.
instructions, written instructions.
You can imply then that I should not have worked for you because you never gave me written instructions. You gave me verbal instructions to start. You gave me verbal instructions to get off.
Who gave you verbal instructions?
Daktari,
Which doctor?
Dr. Koech, Dr. Kalia.
Dr. Karia by
Said
2023 was already dead.
That's what I'm telling you.
He gave you instructions when he was in his
2019.
grave.
No, 2019.
You wrote the letter regarding instructions in 2023.
You know what I'm saying?
You are lying.
The engagements with the War Memorial started in 2019 verbally, and the instructions to cease acting came to me verbally.
Yeah, but which year did it come to you? The instructions to cease acting?
2023.
2023. And the
From
instructions
Koech.
came from Dr. Karia.
Koech.
Oh,
Why are you
again
talking
you have
about
changed.
Kalia now?
You have changed.
No,
have
you are
changed.
trying
It
to
came
play
from
games.
Dr. Karia. Okay? This is the problem of not telling the truth. Because you keep on saying contradictory statements. Can you confirm? Because I'm from Nakuru Memorial Hospital. Can you confirm that Nakuru Memorial Hospital never wrote any letter to you to withdraw instructions?
Your Honor, neither did you write a letter to me to give me instructions.
Can you confirm that the Nakuru Memorial Hospital never wrote a letter to you to formally withdraw instructions? Can you confirm that?
Neither did they
Never,
write a letter to give me
I'm asking you a
instructions.
very simple question. Can you confirm that Nakuru Memorial Hospital never wrote any letter to you withdrawing instructions?
I can confirm that
They never did that.
No, War Memorial Hospital never wrote a letter to me to
Okay.
give me instructions.
Neither to withdraw.
Thank you.
Also to withdraw the
Yes,
letter.
Your Honor.
Very good. Now, I am looking at MFI 11. MFI 11? It states, MFI 11 states that you are talking about block 11/109. Do you have it somewhere? FMFI 11. It says that it is referring to block 11 stroke 109. Right? Do you remember such a document?
No.
Letter dated.
The
okay.
property is block 11107.
Okay, fine. So when you are communicating to War Memorial Hospital, you are only communicating through CHEQUE. You never communicated to them directly.
All I needed were documents for the War Memorial Hospital, which
Yes.
he brought.
So what is
And
the
they did the
address?
payment.
What is the address for War Memorial Hospital? Box number? Now that's
What was on the documents
yes.
was 124.
Did you? So you said you never corresponded to Nakuru War Memorial Hospital. Okay, fine.
Yeah, it was on 24. And to my memory,
Yes.
124 was what the same address as the Municipal Council of Nakuru.
Yes, yes. That's what I wanted to get at. That box 124 is actually the address of Municipal Council of Nakuru, right?
Yeah, I was 124.
So any correspondence, now as an expert, any correspondence sent to box 124 would ordinarily go to Nakuru Municipal Council, right?
The fact it doesn't exist anymore.
Yes, yes. And therefore, any correspondence, now as a technical person, any correspondence sent to box 124, officially then will not get to Nakuru Memorial Hospital. Agreed?
I don't know whether you still use the address, whether you are sharing with the Municipal Council or not, or you are part
I
of them.
can confirm that our box is 240. Okay? So any correspondence sent to box 124 would not ordinarily get to?
The owner,
Okay.
on the title, the certificate of lease of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital, it says PO Box 124 Nakuru. I'm not the one who wrote that.
That came
You
from
should
the
have
government,
corrected.
isn't it? That came from the
Yeah,
government.
so maybe, I don't know how you are interested in that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Now, tell us about your experience regarding the process of approval of construction and such things. Your experience, process.
Your Honor, I do applications
Yes,
for land-related matters, not construction.
not construction.
I'm not an expert in that area.
You're not
so
an
I cannot
expert in
comment on
things
that.
like approval. For example, if you see a billboard somewhere, would that imply there is approval already, or at what stage? Or you have no idea?
No,
when
that,
you see a
that
billboard.
is supposed to show
Yes, a billboard. By the time
approvals.
you see a billboard, is there any approval expected by that time? If somebody told you there is a billboard somewhere and there is no approval, what would you?
which kind of billboard, Your Honor?
A billboard for construction of a building or structures, whatever, but there is a billboard. If you are told that there is
It's
no
supposed
approval.
to communicate information
Yes.
on the project. What I would know as a layman, then I'm saying as a layman, as
Because you
the
also
information on the subject of the construction
Yes.
and the approvals thereat.
Yes.
Yes.
So by the time you see a billboard somewhere, it is normally expected by this time a person has gone through the approval process. Agreed?
I assume so, Your Honor.
Yes, yes, agreed. Okay, fine. Koech says that you, at one time, okay, he says that your office in Sansora building. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, it is in Sansora building. So the document you produce here, compared to the one that you filed at the DCI, you said there were some errors. I mean, in terms of the signature, you don't agree with it. Agreed? Okay?
Your Honor, the
document
signature with
prepared.
that document, I found that the DCI was not the original document
Yes.
I'd signed.
So when you heard from the DCI that somehow somebody may have got a report that you did not sign, were you worried that maybe your office is being used by somebody without your permission? Were you worried?
To me, it was a forgery of my signature. That's all I was
Forgery
concerned
of
about.
your signature?
Yes.
But all the other report was intact?
I didn't read
Except-
word by word the whole report. I was just shown the page and
Yes,
the
yes,
contents.
yes, yes. So now, for somebody to get that report and forge the signature, were you worried that your office could have been infiltrated? I mean, if you are really serious that you thought it is a forgery, were you worried that
I
your
was
office could
worried
be
about the
infiltrated?
signature, Your Honor. Not,
Yes.
You know, the contents are available to anybody.
Yes, yes.
And they are free to be given even to clients.
Yes.
But the signature is me who signs it. I know my signature.
But-
that is what point of departure.
How seriously did you take that information? That your report is out there with a signature that is not yours. Were you not worried about your office not being foolproof? That people can get into your office and take reports?
It was not generated from my office. It was a photocopy which was used
Yes.
because it was not an original document.
But it is
It was
exactly,
a photocopy.
It is exactly the report you prepared, except the signature, right?
The letters.
So what action did you take now that you had that
I
there is
was
one
told that
report exactly like yours?
The DCI was looking for the person who signed.
Yes, but
Yes.
You yourself, why were you not
I'm not a
concerned?
police person.
No, we are not talking about investigations. I have my document. I produced it in my office as a doctor. Then I am finding the report out there. Why would I not be concerned? Even ask my secretary whether they are releasing my documents.
No, it is not my staff who did that.
Yes.
I know that.
You are sure, 100%?
Yes.
So you never bothered to investigate and find out how that happened? I put
There are
it
so
to you.
many forgeries
I put
out
it to
there.
you.
Yes.
The reason why you never investigated is because in actual fact, you had actually given that report
But I didn't sign
to the
it.
COES,
Your
to
Honor, I didn't
COES,
sign it.
and you knew it was genuine.
It's not genuine,
That is
Your
why
Honor.
you never bothered to investigate your office.
They had no seal
Yeah?
and no stamp.
Ordinarily, you would want to investigate and find out how your reports are leaking out. Right? Agreed? So you didn't take any action
If it was a genuine
in your
report,
office?
If it was a genuine report, I would
Yes.
have bothered.
If it
If
was
this copy got into wrong hands, I would have bothered. But fake ones are so many in this town.
exactly like your
Like the
report,
ones which
And
was
you are not
presented.
bothered?
The one which was presented there.
and you are not bothered at all about your office.
I'm bothered when the genuine report gets lost from my office.
All right. In your report, do you have, did you talk about a helipad
Yes?
at block 11 stroke 107?
Your Honor, when we give reports,
No.
we
Just,
explain
we have, there's
the
pressure for time.
usage. The usage.
Yes, did
of-
you say there's a helipad?
Yeah, there's a ground which is used
Yes, sir, helipad.
for public functions and
Just
the, and the
read your
helipad.
report, what it says regarding what is in that block 11 stroke 107. What does it say?
It is used for public utility and sometimes
there
as a
word
helipad.
helipad?
Yes.
Yes, there is a word helipad. Now tell us, genuinely, is there a helipad in block 11 stroke 107?
It's
You
an
have a
open.
helipad. What is a helipad first as a professional? Tell us, what is it? Helipad.
It's a place where helicopters land.
A place where helicopters land.
Yeah.
Now, so if Mutula Kilonzo's house, they have landed 2 helicopters, Kalonzo and Raila, that land becomes a helipad.
No, but
No,
when
no.
it's normally
So-
used
So
as
what, if the helicopter just lands, you're saying it becomes a helipad?
it has been used for ages
Oh,
as
ages.
a helipad for the presidential team
So
and
the
the
now,
other, and there may be medical staff who are carried.
so the
from
difference
there.
now is in terms of ages.
Regularly used.
You are
as a
shaking,
helipad.
Mosham.
Not shaking, you're shaking more.
Oh, okay, all right. You appear to be having tremors.
No,
Tell
you're
me,
you're not
tell me, You are a professional of repute. What is a helipad? You are saying it's a place where helicopters land.
Yeah, designated
One
place
time
for them
designated
land. Yes,
for helicopters to land.
yes.
Okay, so are you aware of any designated place where helicopters land? Do you have a report from Kenya Airport Authority? Do you have any?
Helicopters land.
How does it
in
look
the
like?
club. There is
Helipad.
there's a mark for that point.
So is there a mark?
No, there isn't, but it is used so.
Ah, you have been there
Not
and you
one.
never saw a mark for a helipad. Eh? You never saw a mark. But you still went ahead and indicated that there is a helipad. And you never saw a mark, right?
You did not object to that report when you presented to wherever you took it to Nairobi or to the county.
Is it for us to object or you are telling
Yeah,
facts
if I
in
made a
this court?
mistake as you are representing,
So you are agreeing that
if
you
I
made a
did the
mistake?
wrong thing,
So you are agreeing
you
that
never
there was a
objected
mistake?
to it. I assumed you agreed.
Was there a mistake
No,
regarding helipad? Do you still insist there is a helipad there?
it is used as that one.
Do you insist there is a helipad? Now, what is the difference between a helipad, a heliport, and an airport? Tell us, among those three. Helipad, heliport, airstrip, and airport. Four of them. Tell me
They
what
are
is the difference.
they describe themselves as you hear.
What is the difference? You are an expert.
Different between different planes, different
Difference
types of aircraft.
Yes.
Yes.
So helipad, you can have 7 acres helipad. Is it possible?
And unless you have a different description of that field, is that the hospital?
No, you're not the one who
That
is
is a
asking me
field.
questions.
No,
I'm
I'm just
asking you
wondering.
what is the difference in
Because
an
really,
expert
this is
between
pretty
helipad,
hard. This does not help us.
helipod, airstrip, airport. What is the difference?
They are used by different sizes and types of planes. That's all. To
Is
land.
there any certification expected?
I'm not an expert in that area, Your Honor. I would not know.
So you have
but
no idea?
They are designated.
There is a helipad at the top of KICC, Kenyatta International Conference.
I hear so, Your Honor.
Yeah, so do you have such a similar structure there?
There's only one KICC. There's no KICC on that field, Your Honor.
Yes, yes. So you have never seen such a
With all due
structure?
respect, Your Honor,
Okay,
I think
fine.
we are wasting a lot of time.
Wasting time?
Yeah, I mean, the things, the descriptions are none of my, it's not my speciality.
Yeah, but my
Look for an
point...
engineer to answer those questions.
Let's hear Madam.
Yes, I was wondering where this,
Yeah, what is this
where
one?
the relevance of
Yes.
the questions they...
It is the credibility of the witness. He's lying that there is a helipad. So what else is he lying about?
Proceed. Time is going.
Okay. Now, another question.
Actually, your time is up.
Oh, is that?
Time is up.
Oh, I thought there was some
Mr.
extra few minutes. Only one last question.
That will be.
Okay.
Where is Mr. Minga? Yes. You take the remaining part at the time that will take us to one. Please proceed. Doctor.
Just one last question.
Yes.
Block 11, stroke 107, is it public land or private land? That's in your field.
By designation, a hospital is a public utility.
We're talking about
As
the
a
land.
church is, and so on.
We're talking about the land. Is it private land or public land?
It is the ownership which determines now whether it's public
Please
or not.
just explain.
A hospital is public.
If you have a title like this one, you have a title.
Yes.
Is this land public or private?
It depends what you use it for.
So
Your Honor,
you're not even
If you
aware.
start a school is supposed to be public. A hospital is public. A church is public.
You are not
Land.
even
Yeah.
aware.
So, but the lessee is the one who determines who.
You are not even aware of Constitution Article 64? Have you ever heard of such a thing? Constitution Article 64? Have you ever heard of such a thing?
On planning terms,
Yes.
a
You
church,
don't, or you have not been going for refresher
a
courses on the
hospital-
current laws
A hospital is
that govern your field.
a hospital
Refresher
is
courses,
public.
please read Article 64. It is here. Just read.
You read it out for me.
I
see
can
that
read
right
for
here.
you.
Yeah.
Or you're not able to read. The
No, I
specs.
can't see. My specs are-
Private
I
land
can't see in far.
consists of A, registered land held by any person under any freehold tenure. B, land held by any person at the leasehold tenure. Is that leasehold? That one, is it a lease?
It is a leasehold.
So what does that mean? Is it private land or public land? According to this constitution I've just read for you.
I'm telling you that when we determine
Or you don't
users,
understand?
I don't understand that according to your terminologies.
No, it's
but
not
what I
my
know,
terminology, it's
all
the Constitution
hospitals
of
are
Kenya
public.
2010.
All the hospitals are public.
Are you able to
but they
understand
can be owned
English?
by a private person.
Are you able to understand English? This is
Let me
simple.
tell you my English.
Yes.
A hospital is a public utility function, but you can own it as a private person.
So,
I'm talking from a planner's perspective. I'm not a lawyer in terms of land ownership.
yeah, I mean, there are even Equity Bank provides services to public institutions. Is it a private institution
Which one?
or is it a public institution? Equity Bank provides services to the
I don't
public.
have your term. Your
Is it a private institution or a public institution? At your level by now, you should know. Surely. That's a very simple question. Is Equity Bank a private institution or a public institution? It is providing services to the
Another
public.
question, please, that is
Okay,
not
fine.
relevant.
All right.
I think you've done your questions.
Okay,
Is
fine.
that
I
okay?
think. Okay, I think it was just one or two, but
Okay. Ask if that's the last question.
okay. I think that's it. That's it, Your Honor. All right. Thank you.
Certificate of incorporation,
Yes, Honor.
KRA PIN,
Yes, Honor.
land rent clearance certificate,
Yes, Honor.
and land rates clearance certificate. Were all these documents applied to you?
Yes, Honor. They were supplied to me.
And you confirmed to court you were able to prepare a report
That's true, Your Honor.
favorable for the extension of a lease.
Yes, sir.
And you prepared a report and signed it.
Yes, Honor.
And you gave it to Mr. Mathias?
No, I presented them to the county government of
Yes.
the application.
That one you have had. There is another report that you actually prepared and signed and you gave to the person who paid you.
Yes, I believe you collected because most clients do.
No, you don't believe. You have already confirmed. You actually gave him a copy of the report.
Yes, I right to pick a report at the office.
He came and picked the report.
I think so.
And it was complete.
It could have been unsigned.
You are doubting yourself.
The ones we assigned were sent. We are sending them to the county government.
Okay, the one that the county
the other
government
ministries.
presented, just slowly, the one that the county government presented to the Senate committee proceedings over the land issue, you have seen it in court.
Yeah, I've sent it today.
And it is signed by you.
Yes, Your Honor.
And it has a seal.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the contents of that report is exactly the same content as a report which says your signature is forged. The content is the same.
The content is the same, but the signature is different.
So other than the signature, the report is correct.
I've not read through all of it, but I think if it's the same one, it's only this. I differ with the signature and the
Do you need time to go through it as you are there now?
report.
Yeah.
No problem. What is
Just
important to me-
go through and tell us the difference of the two reports.
I don't have the other reports. The one from DCI, I don't have it. I have my original report here. The exhibit which was shown to me is what I'm saying. I don't have. Yes. In content, it looks the same.
Please answer and look at the quote. You're saying the content is the same.
Yeah, but the certification is wrong. It's not me.
That's where your signature appears.
Yes.
And you confirm that the report given by the Senate, to the Senate, by the county government, it had a signature and a seal from you.
Yes. All my documents are signed and sealed.
What is the page number of that one of the Senate?
My original documents, the certification is on the second page.
Check page 32.
Of what?
So the contents are the same, the two reports.
Yes, Your Honor.
But one report has your signature and stamp and seal. The other one has no proper signature of yours.
Yes, Your Honor.
What were you making that report intending to do? To assist to the extension of the list?
To assist in the approval at the county level
And were you
and
paid?
at the national level, yeah?
You were paid for that work?
I was partly paid.
Have you asked for the balance?
They withdrew the job didn't complete. I didn't complete the job. So they could not pay me the balance.
But you completed the report.
It's not only the report. It's not only the report until you get approval from the county government.
Yes, so you basically confirmed that you prepared the report and you signed it and sealed it and gave it to the county government. And they used that report in the Senate proceedings. Correct?
I'm told today, I didn't know that had gone that far. No.
You are surprised.
Yeah, I didn't follow up that. I don't know.
Thank you.
Not surprised. It's okay to give all documents, but I didn't know it was to Senate.
But it's your report.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the one in the court, except your signature, is your report.
The one in
The
court?
content is yours.
Yes, but the certification is not
It
me.
doesn't matter, but you are
Yes.
a professional.
Yes.
The content is yours.
Yes.
You stand by that content.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You take 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm hoping the 10 minutes will be 10 minutes. I have a meeting that starts. What's up? Can we give that 10 minutes, kindly? Just put my down.
Yeah, yes, Mr. Choma. Do you know that there is a difference between extension and review of leases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Applications for extension of leases, in your opinion or according to you, where are they made?
Your Honor, we apply for approval from the county government. Thereafter, for extension, they are forwarded to the office of the Ministry of Lands for processing of the extensions.
According to you, the person who gives extension is the Ministry of Lands.
Yeah, if we are within the time period.
And according to you, again, the application is first made to the county government.
Yes. That's the practice.
Have you considered the guidelines that were gazetted on matters relating to extension and renewal of leases? Are you conversant with those guidelines? Have you ever seen them?
Yeah, but that is how it's done.
That is
Yeah, yes.
that is what is in the guidelines according to you.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, you confirm to us that the first person who consulted you on this issue was the late Dr. Kali,
Yes, Your Honor.
not Mr. Koech.
No.
Matthias.
No, I knew Dr.
The
Kalia.
first contact you had.
Was Dr. Kalia.
So, the instructions that were given to you by Nakuru Memorial Hospital Limited emanated from a member of the board. Is that
Yes,
correct?
yes, Your Honor.
Is there any communication or correspondence that exists in your file, if you have any, between you and your client on the status of the application, prison, proceedings? Do you have any letters that you gave
There's no
to
letter
DCI?
between me directly and the War Memorial. It was between them and their agent.
Was there any letter that you wrote to their agent, Mr. Koech?
No, he used to come to my office.
Do you have any letter with you that shows that whatever you are doing was captured in writing?
No, but their payments were to confirm that there was an assignment being done on their behalf.
Yes. Do you confirm to us that from the findings in your report, which you have shared with us, you found that the application is suitable for approval? That was the final recommendation.
Yes, Your Honor.
According to you?
Yes.
You still stand with those, that position that you took in that report?
That is our professional
Position.
findings,
Yes.
and we presented on behalf of our client
Yes.
that position.
Yes. And you confirm to us that that report also constitutes the application itself?
Yes, Your Honor.
There were some comments that were made by various departments, other than the one that you spoke about, the one from the planner's office, Nakuru East or something.
Yes.
Was there any adverse comment or objection that was raised?
No, there was no objection from other officers.
Particularly, there was no objection from the National Land Commission on the proposed extension. Was there any?
There was no objection from the National Land Commission office.
Okay, regarding this communication from this planning department, did you consider this to be an objection?
Yes, it is an objection
Do
because
you have the letter with you?
yeah, it's one of the exhibits.
Have you found it?
No, I'll find it. Sorry.
There it is.
Yes.
Council is assisting you. Have you seen that letter? What is the reference? What is the reference? What is the date of the letter?
February 6th, 2020.
February 2020. What is the reference of that letter?
RNKU stroke LHPP stroke NWSC stroke VOL stroke 1 stroke 04.
Read beyond there.
Pardon? Repeat.
The date again?
6th February 2020.
6 February 2020. Does that letter have any reference as objection? Does it indicate that it's an objection to the proposed extension?
It says that there is.
Does it or does it not?
He has asked for evidence
Yes.
to
so
prove-
does it-
to prove
does
that
it
there is
have
no
a reference
dispute.
As objection, it's a simple.
It is interpreted as an objection.
Whose interpretation? Who is interpreting it? We are not talking about interpretation at this stage. Does
Yes.
it have a reference as objection to proposed extension?
No?
Thank you. So it is seeking what?
Clarification.
Clarification.
Yes.
Does that letter attach any information regarding the purported dispute between Nakuru Memorial Hospital and the other outfit? Does
No.
it attach any document?
No.
Does it make reference to any existing dispute in court or anywhere?
No, it does not.
It does not.
But I went to inquire.
When you got that letter, you as the person, the agent of Nakuru Memorial Hospital Limited, did you forward it to your client in writing?
No,
If you interpreted it to be an objection?
I interpreted that way because I went to
Did you
seek.
forward it to your client in writing?
It was not addressed to them.
Yes.
It was addressed to the director of planning.
So do you know how that matter was resolved?
I discussed with the director, and they said they had an objection, and they had already put a caveat on the title.
Yes. Now that information was conveyed to you as an agent of Nakuru Memorial Hospital.
Yes.
Right? Is that right?
Yes.
Did you forward that or make that disclosure to your client?
I did that to Koech. Yes, I told
Did you do it
Koech.
in writing?
No, I told Koech in
Was it a
Grappa.
serious matter in your view?
It was.
It was a serious matter. Did you put it down in writing so that for the record it will be captured?
I told Koech.
Did you put it down
I showed
in
him.
writing?
I showed him the letters.
Did you put it down in writing, Mr.
No.
Thank you. Can save time by just answering the questions the way they are put to you. Now, when we come to the issue of your withdrawal of the application, you say that you withdrew your application. Is that right?
Yes.
The application for extension of this.
Yes.
You withdrew it.
I withdrew my.
Who gave you instructions to withdraw that application?
Koech told me that they already have the lease extended,
So according
so
to
there was no need to
Koech.
do it. Yeah. He is the only person whom I was talking to on the matter.
Yes.
Yes.
But you confirmed to us that the instructions were given to you by a director, a board member of the hospital. Is that right?
Yeah, and they told me that an agent will be contacting me, Mr. Koech.
Now, who was the proprietor of this application that you had made? Who was the owner? Who was the applicant?
War Memorial Hospital.
It was War Memorial Hospital. Nakuru War Memorial Hospital. Did they, in the course of this engagement with them, ever inform you that instructions or correspondence should be through Mr. Koech? Did they put it down in writing somewhere that any communication between you and them should be through Mr. Koech?
No, it was verbal.
Did they tell you that verbally?
Yes, he told me
Did
verbally.
anyone tell you that the only person you should deal with is Mr. Koech?
No, the director whom I knew told me
Yes.
that he will be sending Mr. Koech, and Koech was acting on behalf of a lawyer.
That we understand, that
Yes.
you explained so well that the following day Mr. Koech came to your office. Was there any communication between you and Dr. Kalia that any issues, matters, correspondence should be through Mr. Koech?
No, there were no
Thank you.
instructions.
Now, did you find it necessary to hold a meeting with at least, or did you reach out to any of the directors or board members of the?
I didn't know them personally. I only knew him.
Did you go to the hospital to inform them that you desired or you intended to withdraw the application? Did you visit the hospital to tell them that
No.
you
Koech-
are intending to withdraw the application?
Koech told me they already have a lease.
Forget about Mr. Koech.
Koech is the agent who was bringing the money.
Did you, as the planner, the agent appointed by Nakuru Memorial Hospital, make an attempt to reach out to them, tell them that you're withdrawing the application?
It was Pafilas at that time.
Did you write to them and tell them that
No, they already had
you
a-
intended to withdraw
They
the
had
application?
procured the title without my need, without my help,
We are
without
not
my
talking about
input.
the title, Mr.
No, that's what I was told. That they already have a lease, and it was gotten through high-level connections.
Thank
So
you.
I did not follow up.
Thank you for
Yes.
that answer. It's not based on my question. My question to you is, did you find it necessary to talk to them about your intention to withdraw the application and terminate the engagement that you had?
It will be a futile effort to continue with an application which had been overtaken by events, Your Honor.
Have you ever withdrawn instructions for another client? in this manner without consulting them?
No, there was no client like
This was
them.
your first time.
Yes, and
Now, according to you, this is the last question. This is the last question, Your Honor. You have confirmed to us that you have seen 3 sets of reports. One, the one that you acknowledge is yours, the other one at Senate, and another one that according to you is a forgery. Is that right? There are 3 sets of reports. The one that you are saying is yours, the one that you purported to withdraw, right? The one that was shown at Senate, and the one that has a forged signature. Is that right?
yeah,
There are basically 3.
they are not different in content,
Yes.
but they are different in being genuine or not.
Now, when this so-called forged report with a forged signature was first shown to you, did you make a report to anyone that there is a report which bears a forged signature, about a forged signature?
I was shown a signature,
Do you have
which is
an occurrence book report for that forged report? It's a yes or no question.
no.
Thank you. That's all.